This beautiful, cool-looking device is called Mayu, and through the swirling motion of the water inside it, it'll make your water healthier and better tasting. Mayu uses a unique vortex motion that brings water back into their natural form. It aerates and balances the water with atmospheric oxygen. This, in turn, starts a line of chemical reactions, evaporating chlorine, volatile organics, and other toxins, precipitating metals like manganese and iron so they don't react in your body, stripping away the metallic taste and unpleasant odor, and balancing the water's pH level. Now you have natural, delicious water at home. Who's smart now, tigers? The vortex in Mayu is the most natural, universal motion of energy. Even a flowing river, if you look closely, moves in a spiral. Mayu's unique vortex is created thanks to its motionless motor. It's a design built to last a lifetime, and everything that touches the water is made from medical-grade materials. Just like with a flowing river, the more water you pour, the bigger the spiral. The load cell sensors at the bottom of the device calibrate the motor strength and speed for a perfect vortex according to the amount of water in the vessel. To get the water spiraling, just place the vessel on the Mayu base. Take it off, and it's off. Want even more magic? When the Mayu vessel is set, it seems to levitate as if there is nothing actually creating that waterfall in a vessel sensation. And due to the unique motor, the entire thing is whisper quiet. No noise, and still it works. Mayu can also operate unplugged. Its battery lasts up to 2 hours, and it's easy to charge. To not interfere with the design, the charging cable is magnetic for a smooth touch. Now for what is maybe the most important aspect, the taste. The people of Mayu conducted dozens of taste tests. In those tests, 85% of people preferred Mayu's water to regular and mineral water.
Tackle your allergies, asthma, and air quality issues with the Whirlpool WhisPure WP Pro 2000. Doctors and allergists recommend the Whirlpool WhisPure. It's the best in its class. It offers 4 air changes per hour in a living space of 660 square feet, true HEPA filtration, and an improved air vane design. This means it's strong enough to service your living room and kitchen, but still quiet enough to operate in your bedroom. Just take a listen. The WP Pro 2000 offers 4 fan speeds. This is low, medium, high, and turbo for quick relief. Clean air doesn't have to be hard. With its advanced features, the WP Pro 2000 makes clean air a breeze. It includes an adjustable timer, child lock, filter change light, and a smart auto mode that senses the surrounding air and automatically adjusts fan speeds, so you never have to guess if you have clean air. The smart auto mode guarantees it, capturing and removing allergens, pollutants, odors, and more. Tested and approved by AHAM and recommended by doctors. For your air quality issues, trust the Whirlpool WhisPure.